It's getting hot, you guys. The summer is almost here. Who is excited for the summer? Me. Who is not excited for that hot and sweaty weather? Me. I know that I don't know what I want. At least I'm being honest. Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a get ready with me. I'm going out with my boyfriend in a while for dinner, so I want to glam myself up. I'm gonna start off with the Etude House Face Blur Primer. I used this in my previous video where I was trying out different makeup products from Korea and Japan, and this made my skin so smooth, so I'm gonna use it today as well. Maybe I'm going with a little bit too much, but it's okay. It's primer. I'm planning on doing one more of these, and it would be really helpful if you guys share with me some of your favorite Asian products, because for my previous video I ordered some random products and some of them turned out to be actually really good. So for the next one that I'm gonna be filming, I'm relying on you. Suggest me good products from Asia. Be right back. I need to wash my Real Technique sponge so that I can apply my foundation. Be right back. Alright, the sponge is nice and clean. I'm always washing my sponges before using them. I can't imagine to use them to apply my foundation when they already have foundation from the previous time that I used them to apply my foundation. Whew, so many times foundation. So I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. This is in the shade Snow. Moving on to the brows, I'm gonna use the Ready Set Brow by Benefit. Alright, next I'm taking the Ka-Brow again by Benefit, and I'll use it to fill in the gaps and, you know, just make my brows look a little bit fuller. I seriously need to tweeze my eyebrows. There are random hairs everywhere. And you know what's really annoying? I tweezed them 2 days ago. And you know what's even more annoying? The random hairs around the eyebrows are growing up like crazy. They're always there. If I tweeze my eyebrows now, 2 minutes later I'm gonna have random hairs everywhere. But the hairs that you actually need so that you have nice and full and bushy eyebrows, the hairs that are meant to grow in the eyebrow area, they're not growing. You can never find them. They're shy to come out. The random hairs are everywhere. The hairs that you need are nowhere. Why life has to be so unfair? Ugh, random hairs. Hate them. I wish I could kind of like whoop, move them where I need them. Anyway, now I'm gonna take some concealer on the back of my hand. This is the Tarte Shape Tape. And with a flat brush, I'm gonna clean my eyebrows. And I'm bringing this down towards my crease. I'm just gonna press that concealer into my eyelid with the sponge that I used to apply the foundation. And this is going to be my eyeshadow primer. This is the Maybelline Fit Me, and I'll use it to set that concealer in place. Right, moving to the eyeshadows, this is the Morphe Element Color Box eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna start off using this shade here. I'm applying that all over my eyelid. And switching to a clean blending brush, I will diffuse that brown color further into my crease. I'm grabbing a shadow shield now. I'm actually gonna use one, but I'm gonna cut it in half. I'm gonna place it somewhere here. So this is going to, okay, I look funny. This is going to help me create a nice sharp line here at the edge. Now I'm taking a short shader brush. This is by Sigma, and I'm loading it with this dark brown shade here. It also has some shimmers in it. I don't know if you guys can see them. I don't really mind them. And I'm smudging that along my lash line, trying to keep it as close to the lashes as possible. I'll also take a little bit of that black shade from that palette and also smudge it along my lower lashes. Again, I'm trying to keep it very low. I don't want to go like to the crease with that black color. I just want to smudge it as close to the lashes as possible. Whew. Oh, Okay, that looks dramatic. Let's try to kind of tone it down. I'm gonna take this shimmery shade from the same Motifs palette, and I'm gonna apply that in the inner kind of corner of my eye right here. And I'll also add some of this brown shimmery color here. This is going in the center of my eyelid and towards the outer corner. I don't know how, but there is black eyeshadow between my lower lashes. Okay, now I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and I'm gonna apply it under my eyes. I feel like when I'm doing my eye makeup, I'm so concentrated. Like, don't talk to me, I'm doing my eye makeup now, I can't respond. Especially when I'm doing my winged eyeliner. Oh, you don't wanna talk to me when I'm doing my winged eyeliner. It's so precise work and it's so important to do it right. My mood for the entire day depends on that line on my eyes. Take it seriously. Hi neighbor's kid. You're a little bit nervous today. Let's go ahead and do some face makeup. I'm gonna use again that Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder. I'm not gonna apply it all over my face. I'll just add it in this area here where I'm planning to add some bronzers, some contour. Hello phone. I'm gonna contour with this shade here. This is by Makeup Forever. Just gonna add it right in this area here. You know who is the worst enemy of the sculpted, nice, like carved cheekbones? Everything that you love. Every food that tastes good and you know that you shouldn't be eating it, but you're eating it anyway because you really enjoy it and you're living only once. Yeah. It is the worst enemy of the sculpted cheekbones, at least for me. I mean, I like when my cheeks are more defined and my face looking nice and sculpted, but I also like pizza. Well, that's why we have contouring. It's a genius discovery. I'm gonna take this blush here. This is by Morphe. This is actually new. I've never used it before. So I'm just gonna use it to add some color to my face. For highlighter, I'm gonna go with this one here by Melt Cosmetics. It's called Stargazer. And going back to the eyes, I'm curling my lashes, coating them with some mascara. And for falsies, I'll go with this pair here by Skittle Lashes. Again with my sponge, I'm taking this shade here. This is again by Makeup Forever, but I can't tell you exactly how it's called. I'm gonna have it down in the description box and I'm gonna press that under my eyes right here to kind of set the concealer. And this is also going to brighten up this area here. I'll use this almost white matte eyeshadow to highlight my brow bone. Alright, so I have my bun on, I have my red bandana on, I'm ready for the red lipstick, give it to me! So first I'm gonna use a lip liner by Zoeva. This is called Poppy Fields, I think. I'm also bringing that all over my lips. And then on top of it, I'm gonna go with this red lip gloss. This is by CoverGirl and Katy Perry. It's called Ninth Life. Alright, and this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you like it. I'm a little bit concerned because I think that I'm gonna end up with red lip gloss all over my teeth. But I feel like risking it today because I like this color so much. It's a little bit dangerous to wear more saturated and vibrant lip glosses because you can't control the lip gloss. It's sliding, it's moving all the time, it's going everywhere. If it's windy outside, you definitely want to stay inside. I'm sure that all of us have been in that situation where we're wearing lip gloss and then it's windy your hair goes in your face and then you have lip gloss all over your face. Ooh, what's more fun than that? I think that now you get why I have my hair up in a ponytail with bandana on, making sure that it's away from my face. But lip glosses definitely make your lips look more juicy and more... I don't know why I did that face, but you get what I'm talking about. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to press the bell button next to the subscribe button, because that way you're gonna be notified whenever I post a new video. You can also follow me on my Instagram, Facebook or Twitter. All of the links will be down in the description box. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!